Arunachalam. Let us analyze the stock Allied Digital Services Limited (ADSL). I have found a swing trade in the stock. Now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. The stock shows a small downtrend for more than 10 years, and now currently the stock is gaining momentum on upper side. So let us discuss the chart further by analyzing the volume in this chart. The volume on listing was red volume, but by the time it also gained more, and once the distribution over, after the distribution the stock fell too much and took a dead cat bounce, and now fell into a range of 50 for more than 10 years. So the stock can be good for trading now, because the huge consolidation stocks will give a benefits of steep uptrend or downtrend. This can be obtained and made profits using simple strategies in buying and selling options. So let me show how to trade in the stock. I suggest you to buy the stock in the cash market and make benefits using it. Using options is fine, but it's a downtrend stock. Going long in the stock is not at all advisable, because we are going against the long term trend, so it's danger to go long in the stock. But I have found a swing trade idea that may move up for a small time. Look at the volume here. The volume is keep on increasing, and currently the volumes are maintaining at the same range, but the last volume is quite large and the month is not over yet, so one can take long positions in this stock. So let me move to the weekly chart. In weekly chart, the stock hit the same resistance area formed around 2015 level, so one can take entry once the stock break this level. Now let me move to the daily chart to analyze the entry and target in the stock. Look at the chart. The chart made a top here and made a consolidation for more than a month. The consolidation is in certain patterns. This is called the symmetrical triangle pattern, and once again here it formed the same pattern. So it's good to take trade in this stock, because it just broke the symmetrical triangle pattern, so it's fine to take trade in the stock. So one can take entry at current market price, or one should take entry only above 60 levels. One can take 60 as the entry point for the stock, and target can be taken as the next resistance, which is 87 level. 87 level can be taken as the target for the stock. Actually the stock is in the long term downtrend, so one should take cautious entry and should exit once the stock broke the 21-day moving average. Double EMA, the exponential double EMA of 21 average can be taken for the exiting purpose. Once the stock breaks double EMA, one should exit the stock in whatever price, because the stock is in the long term downtrend, so it's good to take losses and focus on other stocks. So take entry above 57 or 60 level and take target as 87 level. These targets are quite achievable, because the stock was on a range for more than 6 months. Take entry above 60 levels and take profit as 87 levels in this stock. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button and hit subscribe button to get the instant notifications of the video once it published, and feel free to comment below your questions and queries, and thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.